this lesson we are going to discuss about how to add table in your HTML. And just if you want to add like this table in your HTML by using coding in your HTML page, so how you can do it, first of all I will discuss about some text details. TR means table row, and TD means table data, TS means table header, table size, you can write your table size, which size you want to add. And HTML table actually will be defined. This is the starting tag, this one is the ending tag. Okay, let's do it in our final code. I'm just you copy in this one, and if you want to add this code in your table, copy this code. I'm just going to delete everything from my previous lecture, and just copy in this one. I don't need it. I am just save it. When you want to write the coding, then that means when you start add the table, then click on table. This is the first tag and ending tag, and table row. And if you want to add any row, and this one I want to add another one on this link, on this above this style. And okay, now I'm just BR. I'm just going to add the beard. I want to add here. So when you want to add the table, and then first you can table style, you can write table style, and width and height you can write width with O2, and height with O2, and I want to add height I don't need to add height. And just I'm opening this, saving this one. And table row, I want to add 2 table row. Just write tr table row. In table row I will add table heading. th table heading means this is a table heading. th okay, in the table heading you can write in which heading, what type of heading you want. HTML table, okay, HTML table 1, same thing, I'm just copying this 2, save it, this one, okay, 1, I don't need it more, it's very long, save it out, 1 or 2. So I want to add tr, and I already added the table row. And if you want to table row and any other information here, then you can write. And I'm just going to again gr. I added the table heading, that's why I added the th, but I want to add in here table data, td, Arfan, Simon, Hussein, save it out. This is the heading, that means th, when you add th, that will be changed into heading. And when you write the td, then that will be text, table data. So that's it, and you can add your table like this coding, and how many table data you want to add, you can add as well as you wish, you can add. So I'm just deleting from here, I don't need it. That's it. Save it. I already won. This is not looking so professional. So how you can do professional, then you can follow this, because GD, save it. This is the professional, and you can add more information. You can save it. Lots of information you have. I don't need it. Same thing. GR. GD. Save it. I mean that means you can write, you can add your table like this by using this code. Thank you so much, and see you on next time.